Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to make a leaf blower using PVC pipes. Let's see how I do it. First, I need to prepare a used DC cooling fan, a motor DC 775, and finally, a shaft coupler. Then, I disassembled the DC cooling fan and used only the fan blades along with 2 lock washers to mount them onto the shaft coupler. Next, I applied talcum powder and glue to the shaft coupler to reinforce it and make it more secure. Next, I applied talcum powder and glue to the shaft coupler to reinforce it and make it more secure. Now I'm using stainless steel to enhance durability, stability, and load-bearing capacity when the motor operates at high speed. Following this step, I used a 110mm diameter pipe to make the blower tube for this vacuum device. We must supplement the design with a robust handle unit and securely reinforce its mounting to ensure stability during operation. Now secure the motor to the blower tube. The subsequent step involves integrating the control switch to provide the user with full operational command of the unit. Following this step, we will install the battery holder to establish a stable power supply mechanism for the blower unit. Following this step, We will install the battery holder to establish a stable power supply mechanism for the blower unit. And finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.